So previously you have seen how the camera can see light, it can see shapes, and it can also detect objects, and I showed you how the memory was functioning as well. So what I've done today is a little more unique. So I just want to quickly show you what I've done. So you'll notice that it's in neural analysis mode. So essentially it's trying to capture whatever it's having in memory. So it's trying to focus what's in memory. So right now if I bring up a bottle, it will still recognize that this is a bottle because that's what the general memory does. And if I'm going to, let's say, just pick up my mouse, it's ideally going to identify that it's some kind of object incorrectly, but that's fine. But what we've saved to memory is spectacles. So the moment I bring it up, you'll see that the confidence rate also increases, and when I wear it, it's going to ideally identify it also much better. So right now it's jumping between game controller and spectacles because it's trying to find the best angle to identify what this is exactly. See, it's still switching between them. But when I bring up my game controller, you'll notice that its confidence rate is very good, it's very high. I can bring up my robot as well, so it should immediately identify that this is a robot. So it's working out very well. Now, if I switch the tab, you'll notice that right now what's happening is it's in a pilot mode. So the camera is actually trying to focus where I am. So when the wheels are there in my robot, which is the same one that you just saw now, when the camera is functioning, when this camera is functioning, it's trying to look at where I am. So it's trying to do clear analysis of where it has to focus. So it's moving forward, it's moving right. Yeah, this is great. The next one is even more awesome because once I switch into this, it's going to give you a complete tableau of data, but not to get confused. It's just a simple radar. So if I move more left or if I move more right, you'll notice that this bar is changing. So it's just going to give you an idea of where I'm swinging more, where I'm tending to move more. So you can see that the tracking is also functioning perfectly. So once I install all of this in this car, you'll notice that in the next video, I will be interacting with Maya in this. So that's the idea. Pretty cool.